Hi guys, you already know what time it is. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ywigs for those who don't know. And why do I always look so crazy in the beginning of my videos? At least I have makeup on today. But I'm back with another hair braiding video, again with Ywigs. This time they sent me braiding hair with the human hair this time. So let me show you guys. I actually didn't know they had braiding hair, but that would make sense since, I mean, like, they make human braiding hair, but I didn't think about them having like synthetic regular braiding hair. And this actually feels really nice and full. This is one bundle and it's also pre-stretched, which is just perfect for me because nobody has time to be pulling hair. It is very long. They sent me 4 packs of the regular braiding hair and 2 bundles of their 20-inch natural color deep wave hair, which looks like this. It's very curly, but not as curly as the last ones I used. This is more like deep waves versus actual curls, but this is really pretty. It's giving when you do like the perm press to curl your hair. But as usual, they give you a whole lot of hair in one bundle, so this is more than enough for what I'm doing today. And the hairstyle for today, we're doing half cornrows and half knotless braids in the back with the hair, the human hair throughout as usual. So now I'm just going to start with the parting, and then once I'm ready to get started, we're going to do that. So BRB. Okay. So we are done with the prepping of the back because I like to start from the back front. So this portion of it that's sectioned is going to be the cornrow part, and then the back is going to be the braids. And I just like to pre-section them because that makes it just a whole lot easier for me. So I'm doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows in the back. And we're just gonna get braiding. So right now I'm going to prep the hair on my handy dandy stoolie. I think that's, I honestly don't know what those things are called, but that's what we're calling it today. And yeah, it's literally 9:56 right now. Who starts braiding at this time? It's like almost midnight. But anyways, we're gonna do this. So good morning. So it is day dose number 2, and no comment. Anywho, this is how much we got done. I did 3 rows. We're doing the medium size this time around, and this is what it's looking like. I like it so far. It's really pretty and it's nice and long. And I think if you're gonna do it not small, it should at least be long, to be honest. But it looks so good already. Now I'm just going to continue doing the back. guys, I am exhausted. It is currently 10 p.m. We've been doing this for like 24 hours. But I finally finished the braids in my back. It looks so good. And it's so nice and long and lightweight, which is my favorite part of it. So all that's left now is the cornrow portion. But I'm actually sick, so doing this while sick, I've had like zero energy. But anyway, we're about to get into this part of it. And yeah, so I'm gonna need to just focus, and the next time you guys see me, I will be completely done with the hairstyle. So yeah. Good morning, and oh my god, we're finally done. This is what the hair looks like. I tried my best with the crisscross. I was losing my mind a little bit doing this particular one, but it's okay. Then there's like individual braids on the side, same thing on this side, and this is what it looks like with the curls in it. It looks so pretty. I really wanted it to give like full but still lightweight, which is what it ended up giving, and I love that. And this is what it looks like with the curls. So pretty as usual. I absolutely just love this hair. And I love that I can do so many different styles with it because of how it's braided. I can do a nice ponytail. This is what it looks like with the ponytail. So pretty. Love it. Or I can do like a nice bun as well. Move back a little bit. Get some curly pieces out there. Could bun it just like this with some curly pieces hanging out, and that is still cute. Or we could just leave it down because it gives down. I think that's the ponytail for me. I thought I would show you guys after I dipped the hair as well. This is what it looks like after the dip, because I have to dip my hair. I can't walk around with stiff braids. And I still love it. Obviously, it still needs to dry, and it doesn't look as full as earlier before dipping it, but once it dries, it'll fluff up a little bit more and you'll be able to really see the hair, but you can still see it now. And yeah, so this is the vibe. I'm literally getting ready to go to a water park right now. But this is it. Let me know what you think in the comment box below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And all the details of the hair will be in the description box below. So be sure to go ahead and check that out. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.